Hi guys, are you tired of struggling with your assignment? Do you find yourself spending countless hours researching, writing, and editing works? Well, what if I told you there is a solution that can help you complete your assignment more efficiently and even more effectively? I am introducing ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model trained by OpenAI. It can help you with all aspects of your assignments from brainstorming ideas to finalizing your works. All you need to do is ask ChatGPT a question and it will respond in natural language. ChatGPT can help you to write research and it can help you to edit and many more. So it is like having your personal tutor or writing assistant at your fingertips. And also mentionable that ChatGPT is available for 24/7. So you can ask any question whenever you need. Place and time doesn't matter for ChatGPT, so you can do your assignments and whenever you need and wherever you are. So in this video, I'm going to show you a sample demo that how I did my assignment using ChatGPT. So let's get started without wasting our time. So you have to log in ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, then you have to sign in. So I already have an account, that is why I just logged in ChatGPT. So I will do this assignment using ChatGPT. So this assignment is about infrastructure replacement. You can read the whole scenario. I'm not going to read for you because this will make video lengthy. So let's just start doing assignment. Let's just start writing code. And we are not going to write code today because ChatGPT will write code for us. So what we are going to do is we will ask what needs to be done, ChatGPT will do for us. So at first we have to ask this question. So I'm just this in Python. So I asked ChatGPT to write code in Python that will ask the user in a street name and block number. So ChatGPT just wrote for us. I just copied from it and then this. Yeah. We can test if this code is okay. Okay. So it is going. Code is correct. As press from 100. So ChatGPT just responded what we asked for, and now we are going to write the second. It is fantastic that ChatGPT is also explaining every piece of code that it is writing. So just be more attentive and read everything that ChatGPT is writing for you. It will explain all of the codes. This line of code that is going to sum all of the distances on the household. So it sum all of the distances there is on this list. Copy, paste, run this code to work properly. So it is working. So it is said the total distance from the household is about 223. So we are going to define some the distance list. Copy. So this could run without any error. So let's try line of right for us. Still writing some more codes. So paste. Just run this code. Yes. So yeah, it's writing code that way what we asked. So I hope you understand everything that I said and how to you now know how to use ChatGPT. And thank you so much guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tools. Thank you so much.